Hi everyone. So I'm a Dean of Research, Professor Dr. Altan Çakır. So today I'm going to review you basically the fundamentals of what we are doing in the Dean of Research and in the Office of the Dean of Research. So I'm the Dean, so basically I'm trying to review what you have the possibilities when you're coming to the Istanbul Technical University. So there are a couple of things which we can divide in terms of what we are thinking in principle to really accelerate this science and innovation in terms of our Istanbul Technical University perspective. So one of those, as you can, or as you expected, of course, the research projects. So we do have lots of the fundamental projects from the national fundings, and on top of it, we have also a lot of the projects coming from this the international ones. So what you will get at the end of the day in Istanbul Technical University is kind of harmony of these national fundings and then international fundings, and then you will kind of get this ecosystem of driven by our the academic members. This provides you the funding opportunities to get your scholarship and fellowships, starting from the Master of Science and Master of Art, to go to the PhD level, and on top of it, of course, as all the universities like, the postdoctoral research associate possibilities. As you can also, one of the subjects which I can give you as a kind of an example, also we have a lot of the academic members after their postdoc process, they are just starting in our university and then they are quite successful actually. So another things, of course, these industrial opportunities, not only the research and then research together with these industrial opportunities. I believe this is Istanbul Technical Universities together with the Istanbul and then this business, the city. So we have big opportunities that we can provide our students to work together with one of the companies and one of the critical, the academic member in this subject in terms of one of the project definition. So that brings you to just when you really apply the Istanbul Technical University, you will get really some conditions, which is not easy as you like, as you expected, but when you really require, when you satisfy these conditions, and then when you manage to come to work together with us, I think you will get lots of opportunities for your future. So this is, I think, very quite critical. The second thing is what type of research we are talking about. We have lots of, I think, 43 research centers, which provides you to work this interdisciplinary or multidisciplinary work together with the many fields. For example, this artificial intelligence, the big data, this is the software side or computer engineering, which we are very strong. Material science, actually, this is another subject that we are really strong because we are working for this defense projects, and also for example, the fundamental science and then engineering or mechanical engineering. So as you know that we are a technical university, at the end of the day, we are really highlight of many of the engineering studies together with the art actually. So we have the musics and then also we have the architecture. So there are really wide view of the engineering and art together with an Istanbul Technical University. One final part, when you really go to the university, you would like to understand the infrastructure, research infrastructure. The one thing which I can really highlight, our campus is quite nice actually. So this is, you should really definitely look at in the details, because whenever you come in here, so you need to really create these ecosystems that you can really proceed your research. We have 5 different campuses, and then main campus in Ayaza, so we have lots of laboratories and research areas in here. But on the other hand, we have this historical, really, the importance of the buildings in various area of the Istanbul that you can really proceed your research. For example, architecture. This is the really oldest building in Taksim, which is the critical area that you can really enjoy the view of Istanbul and together with your research, for example. In Ayaza campus, we have lots of laboratories, as I said, and recently, together with our colleagues in the Dean of the Research, so we managed to get these all infrastructures in the digital world that the people can really trace what is done in a university and how can I really proceed my research or measurement or the research funding together with this portal, which you can call, or you can also call it as a digital E2, as you like. So this provides you to the broad view of this perspective, which I can give you as the numbers. We have almost 1,100 the academic members with the doctor title and above, and then almost like 700 students together with the research assistants and the Master of Science and Art and PhD level. So we are a big family. So when you come to in here, it's not everything in maybe straightforward, but our duty is to make these things more easy for you and possible for you. But of course, we do expect that you will be very successful when you come to here, because we would like to be the best of the first we are the best of Istanbul, in Turkey, I believe. And also, we believe, and also that we would like to be the best in all over the world. Thank you for listening.